Hi people, I'm AngelaBaez, the English teacher, and I'm here to tell you a really nice story, the evolution of the desk. Well guys, everything started back in March when we had to go home for quarantine. I'm going to show you guys what was my very first experience with this, March the 18th, when I realized I needed a place to work in. Well, then I could see that working at the dining table was not a good idea. I was so stressed, I couldn't eat. I gave up. My father, he freaked out. He didn't want me there. And there was another problem, the TV. Oh my God, low concentration. Then I found out my nephew's desk was my second attempt getting a place to work. He was not so happy about it. I need to move. Now I moved into my son's desk. Come on, I bought that desk. I thought I had, well, some level of right to use it. He didn't think the same, so he kicked me out. Then I thought, if I am going to stay home, why shouldn't I work on my bed? That was my very first expectation. Even the cat was supporting me. Well, until reality was hitting us in such a terrible way. And now we had another problem, the chair. I started checking some candidates. Number one, dining room chairs. They were so uncomfortable. Oh my God, my back was suffering a lot. Number two, a second-hand super extra hyper mega cheap chair. Woo, I was so happy with my choice. What a good idea. It didn't work the way I wanted it to do. Ugh. Then I took my son's chair because it was perfect. Well, he didn't think the same. I was willing to fight for that chair until, well, images say more than words. But don't worry, it is my happy ending. I was really happy to find a comfortable place in my house with a really huge desk and a really comfortable chair to work in and to be in front of you all the days through my camera. Well, guys, I wanted to tell you my story and also I want to give you a message. Remember that this won't be forever, kids. The time to meet each other will come again, and it will be even more awesome than it was before because we are going to appreciate all the things in a way that we haven't done it. So let's get the best from this time, and when we meet again in total happiness, let's be the best version of us. Love you. Kisses and hugs. Bye.